I've been making mini sketchbooks. Hi guys, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make mini sketchbooks from printer paper. I've been watching the YouTube channel called Sketchbook School, and the video is coming now.
You use a cutting board, an X-Acto knife or scissors, but it doesn't need to be super neat, so why not just tear it? Then fold it in half, and again, and one more time. Now fold it out again and fold it to become an accordion. There's your mini sketchbook.
So you can see that they were showing us how to make a mini sketchbook. And here are a few I have made earlier. At the time of recording, I have been filling in this, my first, which is the 21st of April 2020, and it is the food and drink I have in one day. And I'm going to be filling in the back, and I'm probably going to colour it too, but it's only going to be basic colours. And because they're going to be so small, I'm going to keep the little wallet pocket at the back of the sketchbook. And you can see I have made a few, and they're fun. You can do animals, you can do a bit of a diary of the flowers you've seen that day, or the birds you've seen, or the food and drink you've had, or the TV programs you've watched, the people you've met. Lots of fun things that you can include in these little sketchbooks.